find my way.
This is a face depicting happiness and excitement every time. Okay, this is that face. You know, the face that's coming to you and say, yo, I'm about to embark on something amazing that's straightening my hair and I can't wait. And this right here is a face of disappointment. Again, every time. And you would think that based on the definition of insanity, I would just adhere to it and not repeat this process every 1 to 2 years. Well, if you think so, you're wrong. So in today's video, I'm going to share my process of straightening my hair or attempting to straighten my hair with you guys in this video. And before you start commenting, girl, don't put heat on your hair. I don't always straighten my natural hair. I've been natural for almost 4 years or so now, and it's been great. Mainly because my hair never grew past a particular point when I was relaxing my hair. And now I can say that it has grown past that now, which is fantastic. If you have a natural hair, especially my type of hair, which is quite dry, regardless of the amount of product I apply to moisturize it, you know that just combing through the hair can be a struggle, especially if it's been out for a couple of days, which is why I always weave, trim my hair and comb my hair when it's wet. Now, before you start typing that whole black girls always want to look European BS that I know a lot of people like to say about us, just know this, I'm not doing it because of that. Obviously, if you have my kind of hair, you wouldn't be commenting that, so you don't even deserve an explanation. So just sit down, turn off your computer, sell it, and use the money to buy a guide to black hair, which I'm sure you can find at Amazon. All right, now back to the video. The bad baby we're going to use is a GHD hair straightener, and it works beautifully, so it's not the fault of the straightener. So let's leave Idris alone, okay? It's straight, okay? FYI, my hair is freshly washed, conditioned, moisturized, and heat protected using the heat protector serum. All right, so as you guys can see here, I've already straightened a section. I wasn't gonna film, and I decided to just turn on the camera just in case this turns out perfectly. So here I am, okay, attempting to straighten my natural hair for the 3rd time since being natural, forgetting the stress, the trials and tribulations I have been through during this process. But I just thought to myself, as always, maybe this time I'll win. But no. So here we go. Shrinkage is real. We have a nice natural hair, beautiful. So first I comb a part of section through, you know, using a medium-sized white tooth comb, and I started from the tip, working my way up because of the peppercorns, okay, and then I graduate to a smaller detailing comb to smooth it over, and then I pass the straightener through about 3 times or 3 or 4 times depending. The first pass is to basically get a grip of the hair with the straightener, and the second pass is to smooth it over, and then the third pass or fourth pass depending is to straighten it. This is where I leave the straightener a little bit longer for a better finish, and then I put a comb in front of the straightener so that way I'm combing the hair through as I straighten the hair so it's nice and smooth. Okay, I then go ahead and trim because it is long overdue at this point. I haven't trimmed my hair since last year, and I keep repeating the step as I go. Do you see that face? That's the face I make every time I try to comb my hair. To those of you guys who are saying, Esther, rock your natural hair. Girl, I want to rock my natural hair, okay? But it's just so hard to handle, especially when it's all styled out. And also, the process, yeah, that's the face. The process of actually getting a blowout without heat, honestly, it's tedious, okay? And I'm telling you, babes, I'm telling you now, the more section I do, the quicker the straightened portion started to return to a kinky state. Like, excuse me, I keep looking at it like, oh no, it's happening again. Just run the straightener through as you go, and as you notice it, Esther, and it'll be fine. But my hair is like, nah, babe, I like kinky, and kinky I will stay. So here we are. Here is that face you saw in the beginning, the face of despair and disappointment, but with a hint of acceptance. Because what you gonna do? What you gonna do when you got Are you gonna act? Are you gonna act? What you gonna do when it holds you back? I knew that was a song. Meh. So I just kept going because at this point I said to myself, it's alright. It's okay. I'm gonna go through with it anyway, you know? Go Esther. I said to myself that unlike the other 2 times, there is another positive out of this. I am trimming my hair, which is already overdue anyway. So here I am trying to turn this lemon into a lemonade with a hint of honey, but the honey was too sticky. So I decided to turn this lemon into a pineapple instead by doing a bun with the help of a pair of socks and some bobby pins. I put these socks into each other, attached it to my head with bobby pins, tucked that fringe in, and called it a day. Okay, the bun is still on my head, guys, and it's day 3 as I'm speaking to you guys. And now, honestly, after I finish editing this video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a crochet twist because anybody got time anymore. And that's it. This is my attempt at straightening my natural hair after almost 2 years. It's a whole process, so I'd rather just put my hair in crochet, protective styling, let it be longer, and then kind of blow out once in a while. So next time, instead of using straightener, I'm just gonna do a blowout and just see how I go with that because anybody got time for this anymore. So yeah, do you have a natural hair? Do you straighten it? Comment down below, let us know, share it with us, okay? And please, as I mentioned in the beginning, don't tell me how I should have done it or what I should have done, what I should have used, because I feel like I would have tried it. And also, like, honestly, this is a natural hair. I'm trying to protect this hair, so I try to do less things, less manipulation, okay? And I think that's why my hair is growing a little bit longer than it would have been when it was relaxed, okay? Less manipulation, you know what I'm saying? And to be honest, would I be doing this again? Nope. Share your natural hair struggles and blessings down below, because natural hair is a beautiful thing. I would like to rock it, but it's beautiful when it's in the cornrow states and I slap a wig on it or crochet braids on top of it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to love yourself, and bam, I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye.
Take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so just pray for me.